Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about our good old friend Pepe, see what is happening and what has changed. And, quite a bit has changed. If you did watch my XRP update, I kind of went over as to what's really happening across the board. You're seeing, once again, a lot of red across the board. And if you've been watching my videos on a day-to-day basis, I've been telling you guys, let's not get super excited right now. In terms of altcoin season, we're still far away. And, some global tensions, happening, which is of course starting to have Bitcoin already being impacted by that. Obviously, the crypto market never sleeps. Trading never stops. But let's see how the traditional market reacts as we do go into Monday morning. So Bitcoin obviously went down, and everything is going to go down with it. Pepe is down about 10% right now over the past 24 hours, with the price sitting at 78.49. Still about 5 zeros in front of the price, down also about 6% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap about $3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 876.8 million. So it has increased a little bit compared to yesterday, but of course, volatility also is going to increase, and the volume generally does tend to go up during volatile times. But anyhow, let's get into it. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So holder count, 272,500 holders pretty much, day by day, new holders coming in. So not much has changed, and this is a good thing because we are seeing holders increasing as days go by. But market uncertainty is definitely increasing right now. And again, over the past, I would say around 10 hours, you have seen the meme coin market go down about 6%. So pretty much all the gains that you were seeing being made over the course of the last 48 hours have pretty much been wiped. You can see over the last 24 hours, you're pretty much seeing a double-digit drop across the board right now. And I know a lot of people don't want to see this. A lot of people want to see the continuation towards the upside, but this is a reality, and this is what we need to face. We need to accept this fact, and we need to understand what happens when Bitcoin gets impacted, and what kind of implication it can have on altcoins and meme coins. And in this case, it is of course not a positive one; it's a negative one. So pretty much across the board, a lot of red. It's not just Pepe, because of course, some people just come out and pinpoint and say this XYZ or whatever the case may be, coin is going down, but it's pretty much the entire market that's down right now. So Bitcoin dominance. Let's take a closer look at Bitcoin dominance, and I have kind of switched it to the closer time frame for us to kind of understand as to what's happening. So you can see what's happening with Bitcoin dominance. We actually saw the dominance index breaking towards an all-time high. A yearly high at 58% in August. And you can see this for yourself. The Bitcoin dominance index has not slowed down by any means. It's still climbing up quite sharply. As you can see, we were just at 57.6% a few hours ago. It has seen a little bit of a pullback, but do not be surprised if the Japanese stock market does see a little bit of a red day. I think the traditional market here in the US are also going to open up on negative day. A lot is happening globally, you guys, right now. A lot. And again, what does that do? That increases the uncertainty. Uncertainty increases, and that's literally what's happening right now. So this can literally skyrocket in a snap of a finger, so do not be surprised at that. Bitcoin right now was unable to close its daily candle above that 60k, and again, this was not in our control. The news that is impacting Bitcoin, in my opinion, was not in our control. And obviously Bitcoin did fall below the psychological key support at 60k. Right now you are seeing the wick that we did see back in June being a level of support, and we do have significant support actually that kind of dates back to the previous cycle as well. But pretty much the main support right now, if you want to be talking about main levels, is around 57,800. And I do believe if this is not able to hold, we could see something replicating like what we did see back in August. And as you guys know, if you've been following my channel, I say even though the market is looking great, I'm still having this gut feeling that we're not out of the woods just yet, and we are still seeing a lot of negative news coming out that will impact the traditional market as well as the crypto space. And a lot of people are talking about a stock market crash. A lot of people, this conversation is taking place across the board right now, that we're going to see a further stock market crash. Let's see what happens. let's see what happens. Uncertainty is definitely increasing, but even with Pepe right now, obviously we know Pepe is not an exception. Pepe will react to Bitcoin move, and you can see this for yourself. As Bitcoin did fall, we did see Pepe also fall down about 10%. So pretty much replicating, Bitcoin moves in terms of the chart is concerned. But right now, what you can see, Pepe is below this key support, which of course is now a resistance, and we do have some significant amount of support that kind of dates back to the April levels, April and May, which was a resistance. As you can see, that exact same level is playing as a level of support for us right now. That's literally where we got supported by at the 77.37 zone. So obviously you do want to see the price of Pepe holding above this key resistance, but we cannot be ignoring what's happening with the broader market, and you want to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin right now, because if Bitcoin falls below the 23.6 fib zone, do expect that you do see more downside for Pepe in the upcoming days ahead of us. I know no one wants to hear this, but you guys know on this channel we're keeping 100% unbiased, and some news that cannot be in our control can impact the markets, and that's obviously the risk factor that people need to accept. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.